Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to add a intro or a trailer on your YouTube account. So to start, we'll have to go first on my YouTube channel. So let's type here in the search bar, youtube.com login. And then let's click on this YouTube sign in option. And then here, let's click on my profile, go to my channel, and then as you can see, I already have a trailer or an intro for my YouTube account. So to add that, let's click on the manage video option. And then when you click on that, you will be redirected to your studio. So here in the YouTube studio, let's look for the channel customization. And then here, as you can see, I already have an intro or a trailer for my account. So let's first remove this one. So let's click on the three bullet bar at this side. And then as you can see, it's removed. So to add a trailer, just click on this add option. And then it will show you your video. So you can now choose what video we want to use as an intro or a trailer for our account. So just click on publish, and then after that you can now go back to your account. So as you can see here in my account, I now have a trailer or an intro for my YouTube account. So that's how easy you can add an intro or a trailer for your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.